morning guys. So I've started the vlog very late. We're outside the hotel. We're actually in the botanical garden right now, and we'll go inside first. We are going to the orchid garden and the botanical garden. The plants are a bit messed up. I'll explain to you later. Now let's go into the garden and check how the garden is. So this garden right here is 158 years old and got the UNESCO heritage site in 2015. This is the entrance for the National Orchid Garden. It's inside over here. So this is a beautiful fountain out here, and you have different kinds of orchids over here. I've never seen a place as beautiful as this, full of flowers, full of orchids here and there. And don't even pluck one of these, because if you pluck one of these, you get a $300 fine. And it's not ending. It's just going on and on and on and on. You have all different kinds of orchids over here. And orchids are really damn expensive, so this place might be expensive. So they're actually building up all the support for the trees. Like all the trees that stand up over here, they need some support, so they're just building that up. So this orchid garden is known as the VIP orchids because all of the orchids over here are named after the famous people who have visited them. For example, this one is known as Rania Al Abdullah because she was the queen of the kingdom of Jordan. So apparently there also is two flowers that are named after Amitabh Bachchan and Shah Rukh Khan as well, but I don't seem to find them. Let's see if we can find them or not. I anyways have to leave in like 10 minutes because our time is up. So this place actually stimulates the natural environment of orchids so as to give them the full growth stimulation. It's totally tropical. This is the last bit of the orchid garden left. It's very huge, so we're just going to leave the place for now. There is a monitor lizard right there.
Holy shit. I am a Singaporean Chinese. Welcome to Singapore. I namaste you.
Okay. Ni hao.
Ni hao is how are you?
That mall is Ion. I-O-N. That's the biggest shopping mall in Singapore.
Ion has train station under, so you can take train back to hotel. So every mall has everything. The tourists from India, they tell me they like this mall.
Takashimaya, Chanel, Louis Vuitton. President's Palace after this. Okay.
See the white gate coming? The president's house here.
President's house.
Very big, huh?
Yeah, but the house is not visible.
No, because they have to protect. Station, see, Dhobi Ghat.
So that's the Dhobi Ghat station because you have laundry and everything over here.
In the past.
Okay, in the past. I see.
Yeah. Come in.
Hello.
One is a $15, yeah? You buy two.
So we tasted some chocolates over here and then you're gonna buy some chocolates. They told you to taste it, why not have all of them?
I'm tasting on the full chocolate factory.
Oh, তুইও? বাহ, টেস্ট করার জন্য ঘপা ঘপ মেরে দিচ্ছে। নাহলে তো গরিব হয়ে যাবে। এই বাবা তোরা আর কিনবি? Okay, so right now we're in the Merlion Park and the famous Merlion over here in the Merlion Park. So that right there is the famous Singapore Merlion. There's a Skypark right there. There's a theater or something like that, I don't know. That is the Singapore Flyer, which is, I don't know, currently closed maybe due to maintenance or something. Oh, that is the old Supreme Court, but now it's as a museum. But behind that is a new Supreme Court, which looks like a UFO. So we have just done our dinner. we have just done our lunch right now, and it's really humid out here. So it's pretty hot. It's sweating a lot outside. Okay, so these are the cable cars that are going to take us right over there on that island where you're going to see Madame Tussauds and other attractions. So let us go. This is the boarding area. So this right here is Faber Park Station. From here we'll be going to Sentosa. We'll be roaming around there. This is the entrance. So this right here is the washroom. There's a sick view. Look at it. Damn. The view is sick though. That is the island where we are going. Right there. Ping, ping, ping. And when you went to Batam, we actually went from there round to there. Somewhere over there behind. That was Batam.
Lots of kids, thank you. How many altogether?
We actually 10 people. We'll do 8 and 2.
So 8 and 2.
Yeah, 8 and 2. Right up 8. Bye bye. So we have the stamp over here, Singapore flyer stamp. That's the boarding pass. That's the proof that he had the tickets and he got on board. Hello. Oh, look down.
Boarding pass.
Okay, so we have reached Sentosa right now, and this right here is Madame Tussauds. There we have Hrithik Roshan, Shah Rukh Khan, even Modi ji. Arey wow, Modi ji. Wow. Hashtag wow, Modi ji. Wow. There is literally a peahen right here. What the hell?
Another one.
If I'm not wrong, this is supposed to be Lady Gaga. She looks so realistic. Okay, so the first thing we are going on this boat ride. Wow. Wow. Ooh. Damn. That is Skypark. This is Formula 1 car and that is Singapore Airlines. हम गाइड है चुपचाप रहो बात सुनो मेरा. Hey, this is the temple we saw. Remember? Ting ting dong. Dragon. Now. Hello. Hi. Hey, my man. Obama. Flexing so good. He looks so real. Arey Modi ji. Swachh Bharat Abhiyan.
Ham tumse tiguna lagan vasu kariga.
Muhammad Ali na? Oh, Muhammad Ali.
Float like a butterfly and sting like a bee. Ah, rumble, young man, rumble. Hey!
Holy shit. Was he this tall? Uncle. Muhammad Ali. Okay, I don't know which player this is, but he's so damn tall. Yeah. My uncle, he's 6.5 foot. Look at this guy, he's huge. This guy's literally the height of the basket.
I know.
Sachin, we made it to Singapore, Sachin. Damn, Bruce Lee. So right here, they're making all the wax models of the hands. So if you're interested, like if you want to make a wax model of your hand or your face, they actually can make it over here. But the only reason we are not getting it because we have very little space in our bag, and stuffing it in will be a problem because it actually breaks, so it's useless buying it. Harley Davidson, and here you have the Arnold Schwarzenegger. Oh my god, the Terminator look has come up. Oh hi Oprah, what's up? Nice meeting you. Okay, no problem. So we're sitting here, there's a live scene over there on the TV. What are we discussing about today, Oprah? Okay, nice talk. Let's go. Oh, you have the legendary Michael Jackson. I'm gonna stop vlogging right now because we have all the music going on. If I still continue the vlog, they're gonna be a copyright content. Welcome to IFA. Oh damn! Ma'am, it was an honor meeting you. Madhuri ma'am. Nice talk. Yeah, pictures. Thank you. I have to leave now. Thank you. Who do we have inside here? Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. Honor meeting with you and vlogging with you as well. Handshake. Hand. Okay, nice talk. Nice meeting you. Bye. This is high time I met my favorite actress. Can I take a snap with you, please? One snap.
Let's do it! Because why not? Oh my god.
Fine, let's try this one. My god, Angelina Jolie is so beautiful. I don't know if she's that beautiful in real life. Finally received an Oscar. Really an honor. I thank everyone who gave me this award.
Hello.
This is a Grammy award?
Yes.
I got Grammy as well. Thank you. IFA award as well. So thank you everyone who voted for me. Thank you. And you also got the Oscars for 2 of them. One for me, one for my sister. Smile. Having done with our, we're now going to the SEA Aquarium. We have to head on to the monorail and then go to the next station. Okay, so for going from Madame Tussauds to the SEA Aquarium, we need to go from the Sentosa station to the waterfront station. And in order to go to the Wings of Time show, you have to go from waterfront station to beach station. So right there is Universal Studios where we will be coming tomorrow, but for today we have to go to the S.E.A Aquarium. So actually S.E.A is S.E.A. which means Southeast Asia Aquarium. So here you have the S.E.A Aquarium, over there you have all the eating places, over here there you have the Hard Rock Cafe, and over there you have Chili's and all the other restaurants. And hi!
Hi.
How did you feel about the snake? 10 people. So you have a couple of sharks over here, actually a lot of sharks, one right above us, 2 hammerhead sharks.
These sharks can change color.
Change color.
It's written here.
Whoa, look at the jellyfishes. Damn. Damn, look at this aquarium. Anyways, we're going now because the aquarium is closing in 3 minutes. So finally found Wings of Time. It's right in front of us. We have to hurry up because we literally have 5 minutes on clock and we have to hurry up so we don't miss the show. Oh, that's a cute dog over here. Hi. 10 people. 10, huh? Oh, it's a nice place though. Oh my god, it's totally packed up. We have to find the best place. So this is the place for the Wings of Time. The show is gonna be right there. So apparently Wings of Time is the most popular show in Singapore right now.
Hi, I'm Rachel, by the way.
Hello, Rachel.
That show was amazing.
Awesome.
How did you feel?
Very good.
Take a-
Chamkadar. Chamkadar.
My god, your jokes are shitty on yourself. Firstly, you have to wait for her family because that's going to be the issue if you see the crowd right here. Currently it's very crowded. You see people are coming from back, people are there in front. I'll meet you guys once we reach our coach, if we do. Where is our driver, Yazid? Yo. Yeah. already. Guys, let's go for dinner. So just came to have our dinner, right? And our hotel is right there. Have to walk over there because it's not that far. It's just like 500 meters apart, like 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, so we're done with the dinner at Sitara restaurant. Hi ma. কষ্ট হয়ে গেছে নাকি?
বিরাট কষ্ট হচ্ছে। কত ভালো লাগে না এত খাইয়ে দাইয়ে এই রাত্রি বেলা।
15 more minutes to walk right over there. Oh, reached our hotel finally. You guys have no idea how much I wanted to sleep. Now we can relax because all the plans for tomorrow is complete. That has been done last night. Wow, today was a great day. Tomorrow will be a much better day. Okay guys, so that is it for today's vlog. I know the content is not that much in today's vlog. So I just wanted to click some pictures. It was very tough doing vlogging and taking pictures at the same time. So I kept the vlog camera down. But tomorrow's vlog is going to be really good. Because tomorrow we're going to Universal Studios, the theme park. After that we're going to the Skypark. That 3 buildings with the ship on it, with the infinity pool. And we are also going to Gardens by the Bay. Thank you for watching the vlogs. And please make sure that continue to watch the vlogs. We're here in Singapore for the next 3 days only. Right now it's pretty late, it's around like 12 right now, so we have to sleep because tomorrow I have to wake up again and another packed up day. Make sure to watch all the vlogs. Hope you have a nice day and hope you have a good night if you have had a nice day. Sharon Base over and out. See you guys tomorrow.